Yo man, give me that phone.
Lord Jesus, please. Here, take it and go on. Don't hurt me.
He himself lock him out.
Lock it.
Lock him out and don't turn.
Go, lock.
See phone on.
So you give me that phone. Go and go up the phone then, brother.
Bit of cannot grab phone and do technical work to you, no, brother.
Find a grabber fast, no, brother.
You get rid of the youth, you know. You for go find somebody.
This way thing there, brother.
You move too speedy more, wild dog. You have to learn for reason no things.
How much time we tell about the dog grab no iPhone?
But you never explain why.
Nah, for explain. Man, for those listen, brother.
That man talk about. Explain to the man them so them know the 100.
So I'm to finger.
So man here the whole of my Spanish town now, so I'm just a talkie Nico.
Talking. So man, I really coward in a dog.
Bro, see if this is going to work, you have to more to communicate better.
Alright. I'm going to do that, but here what? I'm going to wipe them turn the phone, they call them a fall for them later, you see it?
Just know something not going to do that part there again, see me? You have just fire in a cabin.
Well, I'm going to do the phone in my brother, I love chats for dog.
Have you heard anything from him, sir?
No, I don't expect to. Well, not now anyway. Listen, I want you to focus on supervising the team and implementing community projects in Akabo. I think it can really help some of these youngsters.
You know, I had a meeting yesterday with a group called Wake Up Jamaica. I think I want to collaborate with them.
Sounds good. Go for it. I know you're concerned about Raymond's choice to go on this mission. So am I. But we have to keep doing what we're doing here.
I understand, sir.
Good.
Sir, where have you been? And what have you been doing? Because you've been off the grid for almost a week.
Collecting intel and working out strategies.
You think it's a good idea to see Tony, Pops?
It may not be the best idea, but it's necessary.
So what if him decide to, you know?
No. He's much smarter than that. I made my assessment by calling him to hear the tone of his voice.
So how him sound?
Rattled.
That me worried about.
This is the best time to see him. Plus, I still have an ace up my sleeve.
Okay.
You'll see me soon. In the meantime, make sure you're on top of this phone scam ring.
I am. I have an update meeting with the agents today.
Okay, good. We'll talk soon.
Okay, sir. And please Be safe.
Always.
Alright, sir.
Hello?
How old is?
Peter, cheers.
Yo, where you get that phone?
But I don't know that's some more than now.
I don't have Boulevard you go?
Yes. I'm saying I'm going to water.
Yeah, down there social live. What do you want? Give me the phone. I will still need one more to make the dozen, you see me?
You know, so this can't do for today again.
Ah, here what? You tell them to go and hold out. Soon fall.
Where are you?
God. What am I doing now? Sean, where are they?
So you agree to flesh and blood?
Listen, you're not in a you're foolishness. I'm in a mood. Alright, what you want? Where you coming for?
You know, say you should be happy to see me.
If you did decide to be a law-abiding citizen, I would have happy to see you. But you decide say you want to be like your father.
And that make it turn you back from memorial.
How much time may help you out of trouble, little boy?
Little boy.
Yes, little boy. Big man own up to them responsibility or when them wrong. You understand me? You want to come look for me now and blame me for where you become?